Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how you can change the size of the widgets in iPad OS 14. The customizable nature of widgets has been the top selling point for the latest Apple operating system. For changing the widget size, you need to select desired size at the beginning only when you place widgets on the home screen. It means after placing widgets on home screen, you cannot change their size. Let me show you how you can customize widget size in iPad OS 14 or iOS 14. So you can see that in the middle my calendar widget is present and it is of a smaller size. I want to change the size of this widget. Then what I need to do? If I go to edit widget, I am not presented with any option to change the size of this widget. So first of all I need to remove this widget. Now for adding this widget, I will select calendar widget. I am presented with three options. This is the smaller size, this one is middle size, and this one is of a larger size. I want to select the middle size. So I will select this and I will select add widget. You can see that the widget has been placed and it is of my desirable size. If I want to change it to the larger size, then I will remove it. Again go to the add section and will again choose calendar option and select the larger size option of calendar widget. Then select add widget and the larger widget will be placed on the home screen. What I mean to say is that you can customize widget size but just at the beginning. If you want to change the size of the widget, then remove the existing widget and add it again after choosing desired size.